Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about fifth class science lecture. In the previous lecture, we will completed our chapter first, that is growth and development of plants. We will discussing the question answer of this chapter. That is, we will completed first part multiple choice question. We will completed second part true false. We will completed third part fill in the blanks, and we will completed match the following. Now, today we will discuss about answer the following questions. So you have to give answer of the following question. So what is our first question? Describe the structure of seeds. So we have to describe the structure of seeds. We know that seed is very small. That is, some seeds are small and some seeds are large. And seed has a three parts. हमें पता है कि जो सीड्स है वो शेप एंड साइज के अंदर वैरी करते हैं. कुछ सीड्स है जिनको हम नेक डाई से देख सकते हैं, और कुछ जैसे कुछ लार्ज होते हैं जैसे वाटरमेलन, पंपकिन और मैंगोज के, इनके जो सीड्स होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, लार्ज होते हैं. सो ए सीड कंटेन थ्री मेन पार्ट, दैट इज सीड कोट. ए सीड कंटेन थ्री मेन पार्ट, that is seed coat, seed leaves and embryo. Seed coats, seed leaves and embryo. So all these part we have discussed in this chapter. What is seed coat, what is seed leaves, what is embryo. So this is the structure of the seed. This is the structure of the seeds. So what is seed coat? It is the outer hard covering. It is the outer hard covering. Take an example. This is the diagram of this. So outer hard covering. This outer hard covering we will call it as a seed coat. Now, what is seed leaves? Inside the seed leaves or cytoplankton, they contain stored food which is used by the growing seedlings. Some seeds have grown, pea, bean have been to cytoplankton. That's why these seeds are called dicytoplanktons. And the third part is embryo. I will show you this diagram of seed in this lecture. We will discuss at the first part, that is here. This is the seed coat, outer coat. This is the food storage, or this is the embryo. So these are the seed parts. These are the seed parts. So this is the answer of your first question. This is the answer of your first question. Now we will discuss further question. What is our second question? What is germination? So what is germination? Germination is the process of development of seed into seedling. It is a process of development of seed into seedling. So we will discuss germination process also in this chapter. We will discuss germination process also in this chapter. So this is the answer of your second question. It is a process of developing a seed into seedling. Now, what is the third question? How are seed dispersed by explosion? जो seeds है वो हमारे explosion के द्वारा किस तरीके से dispersion होता है उनका explosion के द्वारा. So we know that fruit are a certain plants such as poppy, pea, bean, burst open when the seed are ripe and pod has dried and seeds are scattered. This mechanism of seed dispersal is called explosions. This dispersion of the seeds is called explosions. I will show you the picture of the explosion. that we will discuss in our previous classes, that is here, dispersion by explosion. So this is an example of the dispersion by explosion, that is the fruit, that is bean, pea, poppy. So this is the answer of your third question, dispersion by explosion, what we will call dispersion by explosion. Now we have to do, that is the fourth questions. So what is our fourth question? Explain different stages of agriculture. We will also discuss what are the different stages of agriculture. That first we have to field it plugged, second we have to add manure in the soil, third the crop are watered or the field is irrigated, and first of all we will show seeding. We will showing the seed. We will showing the seeds. Sorry, this is the agriculture practice. We have to first field is plugged, second manure is added, and third is seed are shown. After that, crop are watered or the field is irrigated. After that, pesticides are sprayed to protect the crop, and last and final, the crop is harvested, and after that it will be stored. It will be stored. So these are the basic practices. These are the basic practices. So this is the answer of our fourth questions. This is the answer of our fourth questions. Now differentiate between Rabi and Kharif crops with examples. So we know that the Kharif crops are summer crops, that from June to October. Example of the Kharif crops are rice and maize, and Rabi crops are green. Rabi crops are winter crops, and they are from November to April, like wheat and gram. These are the Rabi crops. So this is the answer of your following questions. You have to write the answer of the following question and also learn these answer. I will show you answer of all these questions here. So this is the answer of your first question from here to here. You have to write the first question answer from here to here. This is your second question answer from here to here, and this is your third question answer from here to here, and this is your fourth question answer from here to, you have to write here, and this is your fifth question answer at last. So you can close your video here, and you will write all these question answer on your notebook and also learn about all these question answer. So take a picture of these answer. So this is your today's homework. You have to write all these question answer on your notebook, and you have to learn all these question answer on your notebook. And this is the end of your lecture, and this is the end of your first chapter. In the next video, we will start our second chapter in the next video. So thank you.